It's your girl, Them Guys Topic, aka Lace by Free.
Check out my hair, check out my page, check out my makeup. I do the closures and the frontals and the lace
Yep,
front.
I do.
Subscribe to me, repost my work, don't show no fake love. THEMGALSTOPIC.
Yeah, that's me.
Or you can find me on IG at Lace by Bree. Hey everybody, what's good? It's your girl, Them Gals Topic, and I am back with another video. So today, I know I've been saying that I'm gonna do the eyelash tutorial. Well, today is the day that I do the eyelash tutorial. I don't know how I'm gonna do this because I usually need a mirror to look at myself while I'm doing the eyelash, but I'm gonna try to do it on camera without the mirror so you guys can see. I bought these eyelashes from AliExpress and I got them for, I want to say $1 or $2. It was around that range, but I'm gonna put the link down below if you guys would like to get this set of eyelashes. They're a little too dramatic for me. I try not to wear it so much, but they are very pretty. These is how they look. I don't know if y'all will be able to see. So that's how one looks. So cute, you know. A little cute, a little stylish, whatever. So I'm gonna try to put my right eyelash on first. So what you like to do is first you want to measure how long this is and if it's gonna fit your eye. And by doing that, you're just going to act like you're putting it on your eye to see if it's the same length. So just try to fit it with your eye. If you see that you have extra like eyelash piece like this and it's coming off your eye like that, we don't want that, ladies. We do not want that. You want to cut that part so when you glue this on your eye, it fits your eye, because all the eyelashes that you're going to buy that you like is not going to fit your eye. It's going to be too big. So always make sure to measure the eyelash and make sure that it fits your eye, because you don't want to be sitting there with your eyelash leaning. That is not pretty. You want to this is a little trick I learned from my boyfriend's mom. I got hair on that one. You're gonna want to do this. Just keep doing that in that motion, cause you know how your eye is curved. Let's say the eyelash was straight like that, and you try to put it on your eye. It's not gonna look right, and it's not gonna go on there. It's not gonna glue on there because it's not the same shape as your regular eyelashes or your eye. Your eye curves, so the eyelash has to curve. So let me stand up so you guys can see. You have to do it in this motion. Just keep doing it. Try to curve it. You want to do that a couple times. And now you see how it curves now? Now it's curved. That's what you want. And guys, some of you guys can use the eyelash glue, but I preferably will not use it, and this is why. The eyelash glue is very hard to take off, for one, and two, it's real expensive. Why use that when you can use hair glue? You can use that. So this is the hair glue that I get, and that's the Super Hair Bond Glue Salon Pro. You can find this at any of your local beauty supply stores or drugstores. You can find this about anywhere. And the good thing is, when you want to take the eyelash off, just dab a little alcohol on tissue and just rub it on your eye and let it sit for like 30 seconds, and then slowly take it off, and it will come off very easily. Now I'm going to curve it again. I'm going to open my eyelash glue if y'all can see, but around this lining of the eyelash, you want to put the hair glue. Do not put too much because a little goes a long way. So I hope y'all guys can see this. Um, okay. Okay, see how a lot just came out? You want to stop pushing, you want to stop putting pressure on the bottle and just put a little bit on. You see how it looks like it's a little bit on there? That's what you want to do. You don't want to put too much, but you want to put that much. See? Now that I put the glue on, now you want to blow. And I kind of fan it a little bit so it can dry quicker. But don't keep doing it until it's completely dry. Just try to do this for like 30 seconds. And now when you think that it's done drying, I like to curve it again. Now I'm gonna try to zoom in because I don't got a mirror. Okay. Now when you putting it on, you want to try to center it on your. This is hard. This is really hard. Hold on. You want to center it in the middle of your eyelash. And you want to kind of put it in an upward motion. Upward position. Because you want it to go directly on your eyelid. I had to do it off camera because I couldn't see. Once you got it on there, you want to press it down to your eyelash, to your real eyelash, so it can kind of mimic it. You just want to keep pressing into your eyelash. Just keep doing it until you get to the end of the eyelash. There we go. That's one eyelash. Okay, so I got that eyelash on. So now I'm going to do the same thing with the other one. Alright guys, so that's how you put eyelashes on. Um, I hope that this was very helpful to anybody who's looking to learn how to do eyelashes and how to put them on their self and others. I know people do it different ways with the applicator and the tweezers. I did start out like that, but then I found it easier to do with my hands versus doing it with a tweezer. Um, yeah, like I know a lot of people do it different ways, but this is my way, and I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And please do not forget to follow me on IG because I'm trying to get my followers up. My name is Them Gals Topic. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you.